Why'd we just send a pile of gear to a high schooler? Let's rewind. So the other day we got this letter. Yeah, a real letter from a kid named Scott, junior in high school. He and his buddy Jacob started a window cleaning business, and guess what? They figured out real fast that their hardware store setup wasn't gonna cut it. So they leveled up and got the good stuff from us. Squeegees that perform, a DI tank, Waterfed pole, the works. Now summer's coming, business is heating up, and they're hungry to grow. They wrote to us asking if they could try out more gear. It's rare for a letter like this to stand out, but when two high school entrepreneurs treat their side hustle like a serious business, investing in professional-grade tools, skipping the shortcuts, we pay attention. Ambition like that deserves recognition. So we packed a box with fresh resin and a few extras. 2 brand new 12-foot zero carbon fiber trad poles, some WCR swag, 8 Mormon sleeves, microfiber Fugu, Niveo, and Baobab, 2 18-inch Mormon T-bars, and stickers. Lots of stickers, because if you're already showing this kind of commitment at 17, you're going to go far in life. It's simple. When someone's putting in the work, we back them, which is why at WCR, we offer 5% discount on all orders for anyone still in school up until you graduate. We support and recognize all young entrepreneurs growing their own window cleaning businesses. So Scott and Jacob, you've earned every bit of this. We can't wait to watch your business grow.